This first group comprises the imposters of the muscle car world. These are vehicles that may possess the requisite two doors and aggressive styling cues, but fundamentally lack the one element that defines the genre: muscle. They were often the entry-level, budget-oriented versions of legendary nameplates designed to capitalize on a famous name without delivering the performance associated with it. For new enthusiasts, these cars represent a significant pitfall known as the base model trap. 1967 Buick Gran Sport 340. The 1967 Buick GS 340 is a prime example of a parts orphan. It was a one-year-only model featuring a small displacement 340 Ci V8 that produced 260 horsepower. It was created as a lower-cost entry into the Gran Sport line, but was overshadowed by the more powerful and desirable GS 400. Its design was understated, lacking the muscular stance of its peers. The critical issue for owners in 2025 is parts availability. The 340 was a unique engine, not sharing many components with other Buick V8s. Finding internal components or even basic rebuild kits like pistons and bearings is a major challenge for restorers, often requiring custom fabrication. Its value is low, reflecting its undesirable status as a forgotten middle child between the common Skylark and the mighty GS 400. Hagerty does not list the GS 340 specifically, but related 1967 Skylarks are valued low, and even the much more desirable Riviera GS is valued at only around $24,600. A running example might be a decent cruiser, but if the engine ever requires a major rebuild, the owner faces a bill that will dwarf the car's value, making it a money pit in waiting.